What if I told you that while everyone's chasing the next dog or frog meme coin, there's a cat token quietly building something meme coins aren't supposed to build? Real infrastructure, real developer tools, real revenue. Toshi! Yep, that cat meme coin on Base. Just crossed $1.2 million in protocol fees from its launchpad. Not speculation, not hype. Actual revenue from actual users building actual projects. Today, we're diving deep into Toshi's infrastructure pivot. This is the story of how a meme coin became a utility hub for the entire Base ecosystem. And trust me, this is not your typical meme coin story. Let me start with context. Most meme coins live and die on memes. They pump on social media hype, crash when attention fades, and disappear into the void. That's the life cycle. 99% of meme coins launched in 2023 are essentially dead today. Toshi launched in August 2023 as exactly that. A cat-themed meme coins on Base blockchain. Named after Coinbase, CEO Brian Armstrong's cat, and Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto. Cute branding, strong community, viral memes, but no real utility. Just another speculative token riding the Base ecosystem wave. But here's where it gets interesting. Somewhere in 2024, the Toshi team made a critical strategic decision. Instead of just being Base's mascot, what if we actually built infrastructure for Base? What if we became the utility layer that developers and traders actually need? That decision spawned three major product lines: Toshi Tools, developer analytics, and wallet tracking powered by AI. Toshi Mart, a one-click token launchpad competing with Solana's Pump.fun. Toshi Swap, a decentralized exchange aggregator optimizing trades across Base. These aren't vaporware promises. They're live products generating real fees and attracting real users to the Base ecosystem. This is Toshi's infrastructure play, and it's working. Let's start with Toshi Tools, the analytics engine powering smart money tracking on Base. Toshi Tools is a real-time wallet tracking application built specifically for Base blockchain. Think of it as an X-ray machine for on-chain activity, but it's more sophisticated than that. Here's what it does. Tracks top-performing wallets on Base by daily returns updated in real time. Displays wallet trading behavior, asset movements, and accumulation patterns. Shows you which tokens smart money is accumulating before they pump. Integrates GPT-3 OpenAI for on-chain data analysis and pattern recognition. The GPT-3 integration analyzes massive amounts of blockchain data automatically and extracts trading patterns. It builds customizable models based on your specific metrics, 24/7 analysis without human intervention. You can follow what the whales are doing in real time. If a wallet that 10x'd on 3 projects suddenly accumulates a new token on Base, you'll know immediately. You get notifications, you get analytics, you get the edge retail traders usually don't have. Access to Toshi Tools requires holding Toshi tokens. Tier 1 access requires 0.4% of total supply. Roughly 1.68 billion tokens, or you can burn $100 worth of Toshi for 1 month's access. This creates real utility for the token. Traders need Toshi to use the analytics. This demand isn't based on memes, it's based on actual functionality. The burning mechanism adds deflationary pressure, reducing circulating supply permanently. More users equals more burns equals higher scarcity. Basic tokenomics actually implemented. Now we get to the big one. Toshi Mart. This is where Toshi generates serious revenue. Toshi Mart is a one-click social launch and trading platform, Base's answer to Pump.fun. It lets anyone create and launch a meme coin on Base in minutes. No coding required. Fill out a form, upload artwork, set tokenomics, click launch. Your token goes live with automated liquidity on Uniswap. In August 2025, Toshi Mart received a massive infrastructure upgrade. The team optimized back-end infrastructure and integrated MEOW governance for project approvals. This prevents rug pulls, scam tokens, and low-quality projects from launching. It adds legitimacy to the platform, something competitors don't have. The results are insane. Over 120 token launches since August 2025. 120 projects chose Toshi Mart over competing launchpads. Toshi Mart has generated $1.2 million in protocol fees. A meme coin ecosystem tool generating real revenue. Not token sales, not VC money, actual revenue. Month-over-month revenue growth is 18%. Sustainable, recurring, and real. Example, launching a cat-themed meme coin called Whiskers on Base. Toshi Mart handles everything. Upload artwork, set tokenomics, hit launch, liquidity gets provisioned automatically. Your token is live in minutes, 5 to 10 minutes end to end. Multiply that by 120 projects. That's the scale Toshi Mart operates at. Each launch generates fees that flow into the Toshi treasury controlled by MEOW DAO. The 2026 roadmap includes AI-powered bots for Telegram and Discord. These bots will allow users to launch tokens, track portfolios, and receive whale alerts directly in chat. Now, the third major product, Toshi Swap, Toshi Decentralized Exchange Aggregator. Toshi Swap scans multiple DEXs on Base and finds the best price for your trade. It routes your order to minimize slippage, even splitting across DEX if needed. Liquidity fragmentation on Base means prices differ across pools. Without an aggregator, you lose money. Example, swapping 10 ETH, Toshi Swap often finds a better blended rate than Uniswap alone. Toshi Swap integrates with Toshi Mart launches. New tokens become tradable instantly. This creates ecosystem synergy. Tools, Mart, and Swap reinforcing each other. More trading means more base volume. More base volume means more launches. More launches mean more analytics users. It forms a flywheel effect. Each product strengthens the others. Beyond the big three, Toshi offers a full suite of developer tools that make Base more accessible. Token Locker allows projects to lock team tokens to prevent rug pulls and build trust. Liquidity Locker secures liquidity pools long-term, signaling commitment to the market. Multi-sender, bulk transaction tool for airdrops and large-scale token distributions. Token Launcher, simplified creation using pre-audited smart contract templates. Individually, these features aren't revolutionary, but collectively, they lower the barrier to entry dramatically. Developers don't need to understand token contracts, liquidity provisioning, vesting schedules, or distribution logistics. Toshi Tools handles these components with simple user interfaces. This accessibility leads to more projects launching on Base. More projects mean more users discovering Base and contributing to its growth. More users mean more transaction volume, which increases ecosystem activity and revenue. More activity generates more fees for Toshi ecosystem and MEOW DAO treasury. Toshi is positioning itself as the infrastructure layer for Base's growth. Not just a meme coin riding Base's momentum, but a utility hub improving the entire chain. So what's next for Toshi infrastructure play? The roadmap for 2025 through 2026 is ambitious. The roadmap centers on three major expansion areas for the ecosystem. First expansion area, AI bot integration for Telegram and Discord. These bots support automated trading, portfolio tracking, and instant token launches. This brings the Toshi ecosystem directly into the chat apps where crypto communities already operate. Example, a Telegram notification alerts you when a whale wallet buys a new Base token. That alert comes from Toshi Tools bot, and Toshi Swap bot can execute your trade instantly. Second expansion area, enhanced Toshi Mart features. Expect better project discovery, trending sections, and holder distribution analytics. Launched tokens will show deeper trading patterns and automated liquidity insights. Integration with Base's growing DeFi ecosystem, lending protocols, and yield farms. Third expansion area, cross-chain support. Long-term vision, launch tokens across Base, Arbitrum, Optimism, and Polygon from one interface. Toshi Swap could eventually aggregate liquidity across multiple Layer 2 chains simultaneously. MEOW plays a major role shaping this roadmap through decentralized governance. Token holders vote on prioritizing features, partnerships, and fee allocations. One challenge, voter participation. MEOW DAO needs over 15% turnout for strong governance. Low turnout could slow development or limit community buy-in, a common issue across crypto governance. If participation improves, Toshi could become the default launchpad and tooling suite for Base. The goal? Toshi becomes synonymous with Base infrastructure. Let's talk competitive positioning, because context matters. On Solana, Pump.fun dominates the meme coin launch space with billions in volume. On Base, the launchpad landscape is fragmented. Multiple platforms compete for market share. Toshi Mart's advantage is integration. Each product connects and reinforces the others. Launch on Toshi Mart, and your token is instantly indexed by Toshi Swap for trading. It's also tracked by Toshi Tools for analytics. giving immediate visibility. And you're exposed to the Toshi community. Network effects other launchpads can't match. MEOW governance adds legitimacy. Scam projects get filtered through community voting. In a space filled with rug pulls, that quality control matters. Toshi started as a meme coin, cute branding, strong community, viral potential, but ultimately speculative. Then everything changed. The team shifted to building actual infrastructure. Toshi Tools delivered real-time wallet analytics and trader insights. Toshi Mart enabled token creation at scale, now with $1.2 million in revenue and 18% growth. Toshi Swap optimized trading across Base's fragmented liquidity. Developer tools lowered the barrier to entry and accelerated Base's growth. This isn't hype, it's live infrastructure attracting real users and real projects. Over 120 projects have launched on Toshi Mart. Whale tracking and analytics bring traders to Toshi Tools. Smart routing brings consistent traders to Toshi Swap. It's a functioning ecosystem, not a speculative meme loop. The question now, can Toshi sustain this momentum? $1.2 million in fees and 18% month-over-month growth suggests yes. The roadmap shows long-term ambition beyond meme cycles. The positioning shows the team understands where crypto infrastructure is heading. Toshi evolved from a simple meme into the infrastructure layer for Base, building tools developers and traders actually need. That's a fundamentally different play than speculation. It's utility, revenue growth, and ecosystem value. What do you think? Is Toshi the blueprint for meme coin evolution? Or is it still just speculative hype with better tech and branding? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found value, smash that like button and subscribe. This is Crypto Nomad, and I'll catch you in the next one.